Ever make a cut on your table, saw that looked perfectly lined up, and still came out crooked? Yeah, that's usually not the blade's fault. It's the fence. A bad table saw fence can wreck your accuracy, waste expensive wood, and turn simple projects into frustrating disasters. But the right fence? It completely transforms how your table saw feels. Smoother cuts, better precision, and way more confidence every time you push material through the blade. So today, we're counting down the top 5 best table saw fences you can upgrade to right now. From budget-friendly precision boosts, all the way to professional systems trusted by serious woodworkers. So, let's get started. Starting at number 5, the ShopFox W2005 Classic Fence. If you want a solid budget-friendly upgrade over your stock fence, this one's a great place to start. The ShopFox W2005 focuses on one thing: improving cutting accuracy without breaking the bank. The fence glides smoothly along the rails, locks down securely, and instantly helps you make straighter cuts compared to many factory-installed fences. What users love? Simplicity. Installation is straightforward, and once adjusted right, the fence stays rock-stable during regular woodworking. Steel construction adds durability. It feels tougher than those lightweight budget fences. No premium bells and whistles here, but for hobbyists or casual woodworkers, it makes a noticeable difference. Fast. At number 4, the Delta 36-T30T3 fence system. This fence feels like a serious step into professional territory. It's known for solid stability and smooth operation, critical when working on detailed, precise projects. Locks firmly at front and rear, cutting down unwanted movement. More stability means more confidence, especially with larger materials. The fence glides smoothly despite its tough construction. Adjustments are easy and controlled, no stiffness or frustration. The measuring system is clear and easy to read, boosting repeatability for precise cuts. If you want a smart balance of affordability and pro-level performance, the Delta T3 is a top pick. Number 3 the Vega U26 table saw fence system. This fence is built for serious precision lovers. It delivers super accurate positioning, yet installs fairly easily on lots of table saws. What jumps out? How smooth the movement feels. The fence slides effortlessly but locks down solidly once set. That combo matters more than you think. Smooth movement plus rock-solid lock equals faster, easier, more consistent woodworking. Aluminum construction cuts weight but keeps rigidity during cuts. Plus, the measuring system is highly adjustable. Dial in your accuracy exactly where you want it. For serious DIY builders or advanced hobbyists, this fence nails the balance of precision and usability. At number 2, the Incra TSLS table saw fence system. This fence feels engineered, not just built. Incra is famous for insane precision thanks to its advanced positioning system. You get micro adjustments that traditional fences can't touch. For fine woodworking, cabinetry, or detailed projects, that control is gold. What really sets it apart? Repeatability. Once dialed in, it returns to the exact same position every time with exceptional consistency. Build quality feels premium, and with rigid construction that crushes flex during tough cuts. Setup is more involved, yes. But once it's calibrated, the precision is almost unbelievable. If you're obsessed with accuracy, this fence is one of the best upgrades you can make. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, the Biesemeyer commercial fence system. This is the fence many serious woodworkers dream of. Why? Reliability. Everything about this system screams solid, heavy-duty, and built for years of pro shop use. Steel construction is incredibly rigid, holding perfect alignment even during big cutting jobs and heavy use. But here's the kicker: confidence. Once locked in, this fence is rock solid. No shifting, no flexing, no second-guessing your measurements before the cut. The smooth glide makes adjustments fast and effortless, despite the heavy-duty build. And because accuracy stays consistent over time, it's a long-term investment. Yes, it's pricey, but if you want professional precision, durability, and reliability that transform your table saw experience? The Biesemeyer system absolutely earns that top spot. So, which table saw fence are you upgrading to first? A budget-friendly accuracy boost? A precision-focused Incra system? Or the legendary Biesemeyer powerhouse at number 1? Drop your pick in the comments below, and remember, all product links are in the description.